My sister got another package, guys.
First thing I want to point out is look at how beautiful this. I'm just like this envelope, right? And it's just like feeling so special. So as he's cutting it open,
This is from Ebonee Plus Creation.
yeah, Ebonee Plush Creations. Oh wow, some more gold packaging. And my brother said, "Oh wow." What have we here? Is that everything? Do you feel anything else in there?
No, that's everything. Here's the invoice.
The invoice? Okay, let me check it to make sure. Is the envelope empty?
Okay.
Let's see. That's it?
Yep.
The envelope is so pretty. Okay, so what have we here? Yeah, this is the invoice. Ebonee, we're so excited.
Hey guys, hey NailTubers. I'm really excited to do this nail haul and show you what my sister ordered. These things came from her NailTube sister, Ebonee Nails. They have participated and collabed together. Ebonee has a website called Ebonee Plus Creation, and these things were purchased in celebration to her new journey into being a business owner. I know for a fact, I think she ordered more than what she needs, and I will be excited about this because I think she did it with you guys in mind. Hint, hint. So now that I let the cat out of the bag, let me show you what she's got. Ebonee, let me just say this, your packaging is very beautiful. Here are some beautiful fall leaf nail foils. The colors are very beautiful. In fact, here in Chicago, these leaves are turning these colors. One print also has little butterflies. These are metallic green Louis Vuitton stickers. Some real nice nails could be done with these. They also came in the gold. I'm not sure if you can see any of the outlines on the letters in the camera, but they are very nice and look rich too. She also got some English style numbers in gold. I think these are very popular. And finally, she got this purple and gold acrylic. It's called Disco Fever and it's packed with gold and other holographic glitter. Take a look.
Do it like this.